រៀនបានមួយខែហើយឃើញថាខ្លួនឯងចេះបានអីខ្លះហើយ everyone
For me I think yes teacher it's hard to say but I think if I compare from now to the after from now to before I can say I can make the conversation with another people like don't sing in my hand or prepare something and because before I start our class I don't have a confidence to speak English with another people and when I would like to make the conversation with another people I try to sing in my hand or I try to sing about the sentence that I need to speak but now I can speak and yeah it's not fluent but I can say I can speak by not thinking about it
okay so why it is like that ហេតុអីបានជាពីមុនគិតឥឡូវលែងគិតចឹង why
because when I have study with you and we have the group conversation we make the conversation every day before we start the class and I study more something like something vocabulary from our class and some sentence that is new for me so according to practice every day to conversation with my classmate I can speak like on thinking more like before
okay so as I can catch the main thing is practice practicing okay the
yes,
more
teacher,
yeah, practicing is the key okay what about Helen so Petra first Helen next
okay teacher yeah for me after the past month I can improve my speaking the confidence of my speaking and I think that my speaking is going smooth than before
hello
yeah hello
okay so yeah okay continue
sorry teacher
yeah okay yeah that continue yep continue Helen okay yeah you have confidence confident
yeah the confidence of the speaking and don't focus or don't try to remember what I want to talk I mean that អត់ចង់និយាយថាពេលចង់និយាយអីមួយទៅអត់ចំណាយពេលគិតយូរថាពាក្យហ្នឹងខ្ញុំគួរនិយាយអត់ហើយខ្ញុំត្រូវនិយាយមិនអីចឹងណា yeah
okay
and one more thing about the reading my confidence of the speaking and the reading is good in the past month in before because I was give up the study English around 4 or 5 years since I start working so the my speaking is not good and after practice and try to make conversation every day is yes I can say and good and my weakness of the listening it's still need to improve more
okay
yeah that's all for me
okay that's great